What if you could own the next BioLink platform instead of paying for one every month? What if every agency or freelancer who needed a bio page became your customer, not someone else's? Today, I'm introducing BioScript, a complete white label bio page platform that lets you build, brand, and sell your own software business without building it from scratch. Millions of creators and businesses use BioLink tools every day. But here's the problem. They're paying monthly fees, building someone else's business, and they never actually own the platform. That's exactly why we built BioScript. BioScript is a complete white label bio page platform that you can install on your own domain, customize with your own branding, and sell under your own business name. Instead of becoming another customer, you become the platform owner. Unlike traditional BioLink tools, BioScript gives you complete ownership. You control your domain, your brand, your pricing, and your customers. You control your licenses, your business. No recurring platform dependency, no revenue sharing, no restrictions on growing your business. It's your platform, your customers, your revenue. When you purchase BioScript, you receive everything needed to launch immediately. You get over 190 professionally designed bio page templates, an easy drag and drop page builder, buttons, social links, videos, contact sections, custom branding, everything your clients need to create professional bio pages. You also receive a complete super admin dashboard where you can manage your entire business from one place. This isn't just reseller access. This is a complete white label solution. Replace our branding with yours. Use your own logo, your own company name, your own domain. Your customers never see the BioScript brand. They only see yours. You built the platform. Running a software business shouldn't require manual work. That's why BioScript automates everything. You're not buying another software tool. You're investing in a complete software business. Built to launch, built to scale, built for your brand. If you'd like to see BioScript in action, check the video description below for the live demo and complete details. Or contact our team today. We'll be happy to help you launch your own software business.